What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the mouse cursor disappeared error in your Windows. So this could be happening because either A, the mouse itself has disappeared because it's not being read, or you press something on your computer which made it disappear. That can happen a lot of times, like when people's screen flips to the side. You're like, oh, how did this happen? What do I do to fix this? So luckily, I'm going to kind of show you first a very quick thing that you can do, and then second, kind of like a little bit more complex per se, but still significantly easy thing to follow. Now, if you can't for some reason just even see your mouse, so you can't even really click into anything, the first and easiest thing to do is press FN. If you look at your keyboard, there'll be something called FN, F3, if not FN plus F9, if not FN plus F11. See if one of those three helps fix this issue. If not, that's perfectly fine. What we're going to do is we're basically going to go into the search bar. And you can, again, you can click into the Windows key on your keyboard itself, and you'll find it, basically do it from there. The next thing is you're going to go type Device Manager, and you'll get to the Device Manager page. In here, again, you won't have a mouse to click, but you can actually navigate a lot of stuff from your keyboard itself on your Windows device. So what you want to do is, excuse me, you want to press Tab, and you'll get to the item that you're trying to get to. So you'll see now you can actually navigate in here. So we want to go to the one that's called Mice and Other Pointing Devices. You can essentially click the right arrow key and it'll drop it open. So now you see I have something called HID compliant mouse. So this is, I believe, my HP mouse that's connected via USB. It's wireless, so it's connected. So what you want to do next is, and let's say this is the only mouse on your computer, so you want to press Enter, and you'll pop up on this screen. You want to press Tab until you see that bar highlighting like that on the top. And now you can scroll with your mice or mouse. You can see now you can kind of scroll into these things. We want to go to the portion where it says driver, and we want to basically click into update driver. We want to say search automatically for drivers, and you'll see it'll tell you if it's compliant or not, if it has everything. If obviously this works, that's not great, but most likely it will look for a driver and find it and install it. What you can also do is you can do something similarly by either disabling it and re-enabling it, or uninstalling it from the system, and then when you restart your computer, it'll automatically reinstall the driver for the mouse, and then you should be good to go. So you want to kind of basically follow those steps, do those, and then you should be good to go. Another quick tip is, if you're using especially a wireless mouse, just make sure A, the battery's not dead. That's happened to me actually. B, try a different USB port and see if that works. Sometimes the USB port on your computer is corrupted or just dies, so you might want to kind of test that out as well. So yeah, that's basically it on how to essentially fix the mouse cursor has disappeared in your Windows 10 device. If you guys have any comments, questions, concerns, just let me know in the comment section below. I'm more than happy to help you guys out. If you guys overall like this video, please smash that like button, helps out. And if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. And that, Mo Tutorials out.